Hey everybody, how you doing today? Alright, so I just got this awesome camcorder from Amazon. Not camcorder, I'm sorry. Action camera. And looks pretty sweet. So I'm going to open this bad boy up right away. And let's see what we can find here. Alright, that seems like a nice little strap or carry-on. You got some accessories here with the clamps, mounting kit. I guess you can use this as a dash camera. Just mount it up. It's got the USB there, power up there, and it's got more clamps and stuff here, and then another smaller USB in case you need it for the computer. But let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's get to the guts of this thing. This is it right here. This is actually pretty cool. It looks like a flashlight. It's Wi-Fi enabled, which is nice. Let's see here. So this opens up. Cool. So you got your USB HDMI port, impressive, and your micro USB slot. Let's see. I don't think this came with a micro USB card, and it did not. But I'll just get one out from one of my other gadgets and toss it in there and check this thing out. But all the reviews I read on this thing have been awesome. I can't wait to try it out. I'll let you know. Alright, if you got any questions, post them online. I'll respond to you. Otherwise, if you like the video, just subscribe to my channel and let's get it going. Bye.